Hi, I'm Sriram. I'm the founder and CEO of Spiceroot Finance, which is a boutique financial advisory firm. I've established Spiceroot Finance after 15 years as a finance leader in a couple of multinationals, considering the requirement and the need of a strategic finance function in startups and growing SMEs, right? So we have started 6 years back. We are a 20-member team now, working with 40 clients, aspiring to grow to 300 in the next 18 months. I was looking at alternatives, multiple things, and I found Zoho as one of the good alternatives for QuickBooks. And I think now there are multiple, but I think at that point of time, 5 years back, it's just Zoho and QuickBooks, and people have been using Tally quite a bit. But Zoho kind of brings in the transparency of data, ease of use, right? So I think that's the transformation I really look at. One is transparency, automation, and kind of ease of use. While Zoho or any cloud-based software kind of takes care of one portion of the banking, right? Wherein you take the bank statements, integrate it to your cloud-based accounting software and start automating it. Now, connected banking takes it to your next level, right? One of the pain points many entrepreneurs have is like you pass the entry in the books, but you have to make a payment in the bank system. Or there might be chances of errors. Now you just imagine this is a young entrepreneur. It can be a guy who doesn't know finance. So for them, doing a bank transaction itself is quite a bit of a hassle. Now connected banking takes away the entire stress, right? And takes the whole bookkeeping or even maintenance of books into a next level. So I think connected banking kind of transforms the way finance team runs. And it's limitless, right? The benefits of it can be limitless, considering the whole generation of D2C companies where the transactions are much higher, right? Wherein you need to pay to multiple vendors, you need to collect from multiple customers. So I think connected banking kind of changes the whole ball game. One of the major stickiness of Zoho as a platform is the various connected add-ons. Now it is like N of them, right? I don't even know how many of them, right? When I started using it might be 5. Right, but I think there are 5-6 of critical things more from a finance perspective. I'm not like talking as a overall CEO of the company, but being a CFO partner of an enterprise. I think integrating with a couple of softwares like an Expense, Zoho Expense, or a Zoho Payroll, Zoho People, and Zoho Books, like a quadrilateral of these 4 kind of transforms the way organization works. When you start an organization, when you're a single entrepreneur, so you just started, right? You just start with Zoho Books. You start capturing all the entries on your own, right? And then when you kind of add people, you start using Zoho People, which is like you capture their HRMS, capture their entry in that, and you start processing their payroll. You start using Zoho Payroll, right? I think these 3 will take care until you get to 10 employees. Then after that, you have more employees. You start incurring expenses as the company grows. Then you start using Zoho Expense, which kind of reduces the stress of passing the bills, doing approvals and all of that, right? You use a separate payroll software and you use Zoho Books for maintaining, then you need to talk. Now, currently, if you use both as a part of Zoho, they automatically talk to each other, and as I said, they pass the entry itself, right? So one is data integrity. Like kind of a connected thing, then you can create a common platform, common dashboards, right? Transparency of the information. So I think to name it, 3 of them, 3 strong ones are transparency, data integrity, and then interconnectedness. These are the 3 things I can really talk about as a benefit. Zoho Books has been a pioneer in connected banking, and they have already made quite a bit of progress in that, right? Whether it's with ICICI, whether it's with the HSBC, I think they are making the life of an entrepreneur much more easier by reducing one step of moving from the books, go to your bank portal and making transactions. Now by doing this connected banking, kind of reduces all of it. And I think all the large banks, both as a HSBC or ICICI, I think they are kind of bringing the solutions for the growing startups, right? Because each startup, as they grow in the volume, have some technical issues with respect to bank. Whether you take an aggregator, there are certain amounts you need to kind of keep it in one account, they need to move it to another account. So I think the whole connected banking and Zoho solutions is kind of making people's life much more easier and seamless, I say. So if you take a very early stage enterprise, I think they can save at least 1 FTE, which means 1 employee's cost, by using Zoho, because it's all automated, right? And then as it grows, as it is let's take an example of a 100 crore company, right? You can save as much as 10 FTEs or 10 employees in your finance team, because many of the things are automated. So the benefit can be anywhere from 25,000 to maybe 2 lakhs, depends on the size of the organization. I'm really looking forward to kind of work very closely with Zoho. In our growth story as SpiceRoute Finance, we want to really grow from current 40 to 300 in the next 18 months. And it's not possible without kind of talking or taking things from a technological perspective. And I see Zoho as a great partner there.